I shared my dream with you until the morning. Everybody else have done it right, coming out to see me try. As I turn away and cry, you run up to me and take my hand. I wish you were the one who made me whole, and I won't be turned. You and I should be the ones to learn. All I want to say, ain't no good to look the other way. Once again I'm on the run, far away from all the fun. It seems I'm bound to be away from you. I never meant to drive you off this way, and I won't be turned. You and I should be the ones to learn. All I want to say, ain't no good to look the other way.
I know as the daylight grows how I am supposed to feel, to make the same mistakes, to be part of something real. We walk, staying tall, suffer love I have to steal. With blinking eyes through a bad disguise, we move on to the appeal. And the times are changing fast.
feel it taking control. It's the hurt I imagine from us to nothing. There's something missing you stole, and it's a little tragic. I know I'm better off living without your love, but time and again my thoughts go back to when we were crazy kids with a lot of feelings, too proud to beg and too numb for stealing. When I rode with you it was all downhill, and losing control was a part of that thrill. A part of me still wants you. A part of me still wants you. I've got my own place, an extra toothbrush as well, for someone you don't know of. But these are long days, and even though you can tell, there's something I can't get over. I know I'm better off living without your love, but time and again my thoughts go back to when we were crazy kids with a lot.
You made it to the end of the video. Thank you for that. Go ahead and watch this video right here next.